Weather forecast in Cali. Saturday, February 12, 2022. The day remains to partly cloudy with of rain, with temperature 28 degrees centigrade. Sunday, February 13, 2022. Moderate rain in the morning and partly cloudy the day, with temperature degrees centigrade 20-25. Monday, February 14, 2022. Partly cloudy at day, with rain at night, with temperatures 23 degrees centigrade. The activities that one can carry out are reading, watching television, TV, exercising, sharing with the family, wrestling. Recommendation. It is recommended to carry off umbrella for 10 days. Weather forecast in Mexico. To the north, to the north Chihuahua, and for the west Baja California is cool. To the south of city of Jalisco, T is Monterrey is hot. Thank you so much. Bye bye.